How do you see GPS map on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So, of course, on your Apple Watch, you can see so many different apps and you can manage all of the things in here. But in order to start browsing an actual map, you have two options. You can download the Google Maps or Apple Maps. The Google Maps is a great app for directions. So if you start in navigation on your iPhone, it will display the step-by-step direction on the watch, which is very useful. But the actual Apple Maps for the Apple Watch gives you the actual GPS map with your location there. You can start zooming around, browsing the map. You can just type in points of interest on the map, you can literally zoom in on a park, tap on it, see the information about it. So it's much more closer to the actual map experience of the iPhone. Naturally, the screen is kind of small, so I don't know if you're actually going to use it that much, but it works, right? So you can even use the search feature and look some specific place on a map, and as I say, you can zoom in, browse it, do whatever you need. So that's using the actual GPS map on the Apple Watch. Naturally, you can navigate to some place if you choose it on a map, so it will also give you the direction. So yeah, give it a try. It should be already built in and installed on your Apple Watch to begin with. So let me know if you can find it, and in case of any questions, leave them in the comment section. There are so many things which I can cover later in the next video, so make sure you don't miss it by subscribing, and I'll see you later.